Today, I'm looking at the Cafe X Automatic Robotic Barista. I came across this while traveling through the San Francisco airport. What better way to get a cup of coffee or tea than from a dancing robot? So let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. So this automatic robotic coffee bar was found at San Francisco Airport. I believe there's also one in San Jose Airport, but that one is currently closed. To order, use these touchpads to the left. Here you can see there's a wide selection of coffees and teas, as well as hot chocolate. I might try the best of both worlds, an iced dirty matcha latte that has both coffee and matcha tea. Here you can customize based on the type of roast or decaf, as well as changing the milk and sugar settings. And then we wait. Here it looks like the robotic arm is getting a cup of ice. Hi there. Looks like there's some entertainment going on while we wait for our tea or coffee to be prepared. You can see in the background that the milk is being placed in the cup of ice. And now the green tea or the matcha is being added. Now comes the coffee. Careful, don't spill. Looks ready. Now how do I get it? Ah, there you go. Time for a delicious drink. It's certainly ice cold and looks incredible with the layers of matcha and coffee, creating a quite artistic drink. Well, cheers everybody. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.